to use Perplexity in n8n, we simply need to add a chat model, then we need to add OpenRouter, and we simply need to create our CAD render. So we simply need to visit this website OpenRouter, and we simply need to create an account. Then we need to visit key option, and we simply need to create a key, and just copy, go back and create an n8n rental and simply paste it, just save it. Then we need to choose our model. So our model will be Perplexity. Choose Perplexity. We simply type in OpenRouter model called Perplexity. You can see this is the model that we use in Perplexity using OpenRouter. You can also see the pricing. We simply need to top up. Here you can see credit and integration. There are various settings. We simply need to add credit and top up. And for pricing, we can directly see by search how much this cost. We simply need to search the model and use it. You can see the model is Perplexity. I think I open a provider. I simply need to use. Here you can see this will be input will be $2 to 1 million input. Output will be cost our $8 per million output. Here you can see we can simply copy this mode and just paste it, or directly search in here and use it. So simply use it. So my account doesn't have any credits, so I don't use, but I show you how to use this. And the second method is we need to open and use a define below. We simply need to type our prompt here, then continue this part. The second way to connect is I using just HTTP model, and we simply need to generate our API key. So to use this, we simply need to visit Perplexity API reference. We simply need to, so I can show you how to process. So I go to Google and search Perplexity API reference and go to the Perplexity home. Now the tab is open. Now we need to go to API reference and we use model. Which model you use? Click open in this new tab and open API reference, and we simply need to type, simply click on try it, and we simply need to paste our API key from here and paste the model. So we can grab model from here. You can see the model is here. Copy this, go back, paste it, and for this web, simply copy this part, go back to n8n and click on the import from CLL, simply paste it, import. So you can use this function to use Perplexity in our n8n. This is the great hack to use, and if you have any problem, you can use ChatGPT or anything like, and we simply need to write prompt from here. So that's in this video. Okay, bye. And to generate API key, simply use, make sure you have an account and create it to use. Okay.